Hello and welcome to a Taxware video tutorial. Today we will be going over print setup. To get to print setup, first we will click Defaults and Settings from the main menu. Then we will click on the button labeled Print Setup. The first thing we can do here is change our active print settings or create a new one. It can be useful to have multiple print settings, such as if you want to have a specific setup for an archive copy, client copy, and complete copy. Next we have a few checkboxes for security reasons. Mask SSN will make it so only the last 4 digits of the social appear on the return, as well as blocking out bank account numbers. It will also turn on the client copy watermark on the printout as well. This is required by the IRS to prevent people from accidentally sending in returns without social security numbers on them. Next we have the option to password protect PDFs with the last 4 digits of the taxpayer's social. If you plan on sending your client a digital copy of their return, it is recommended that you check this box for your client copy print settings. Up next is the client copy checkbox, which will put a client copy watermark onto the return. The main bulk of the print setup is choosing which forms you always want to print, never want to print, and how many copies of each form to print. Simply check or uncheck the relevant boxes for each form, and change the number of copies on the right. You can multi-select lines by clicking and dragging, clicking and then shift clicking, or by control clicking to modify multiple lines at once. To look at the forms for specific states, double click on the state name on the left hand side of the screen. Underneath we have the option for which title page, client letter, and slip sheets we would like to have print for a return. If you would like to edit any of these, or create your own letter, the formatter button will allow you to do so. Please see our tutorial videos on the letter formatter for more information on how to create and edit custom letters. If you want to automatically create and archive a PDF when printing a complete return, or if you want to automatically lock a return after printing, the options are here. Lastly, you can select which printer you would like to print from here. This concludes the print setup tutorial. If you have further questions, feel free to email us at support@taxwaresystems.com or give our technical support line a call at 1-800-877-1065. We'll see you in the next video, and thank you for choosing Taxware.